Could the food sitting in your kitchen or on supermarket shelves right now be quietly doing more damage to your body than you realize? Scientists have linked several common dietary staples to increased risks of heart disease, metabolic disorders, cognitive decline, and even a shortened lifespan. We are counting down the world's most dangerous foods by looking past the labels and into the precise biochemical mechanisms that make them a threat. Protecting your health requires unmasking these biological weapons and understanding exactly how they sabotage the human machine from the inside out. Number 10. Sugary soft drinks. The hidden enemy here is chronic blood sugar overload. When large amounts of liquid sugar hit the bloodstream, the liver becomes overwhelmed. As shown here, it rapidly converts that excess fructose into fat, while the liquid calories bypass the natural fullness signals your brain uses to regulate your appetite. If you find this evidence-based research valuable, take a moment to subscribe. Your support helps Livewelllab continue uncovering the science of human longevity. Number 9. Processed meats, like bacon and sausages. These trigger cellular damage through chemical preservatives and high-temperature processing. The nitrates and nitrites used for curing can form substances that damage DNA. This forces your body's detoxification systems to work overtime to neutralize the chemical intruders. Number 8. Deep-fried fast foods. The primary driver of damage here is oxidative stress. Heating oils to extreme temperatures produces a cascade of free radicals. These particles behave like tiny sparks, colliding with and tearing at healthy biological tissues, which accelerates the wear and tear on your metabolic machinery. Number 7. Ultra-processed packaged foods. These represent a major risk due to nutritional displacement. These items are engineered with combinations of refined starches and fats that maximize cravings while offering almost no satiety. The result is a constant internal battle against unstable blood sugar and systemic inflammation. Number 6. Excessively salty foods. These contribute to what researchers call silent pressure. When sodium levels stay elevated, the body retains more fluid. This diagram shows those particles drawing external fluid inward, causing blood vessel walls to bulge as the heart works harder to move the increased volume. Number 5. Charred and burnt foods. The risk here stems from heat-induced chemical formation. Cooking meat at extreme temperatures alters its chemical structure, creating compounds that can damage DNA. While your body attempts to repair this damage, repeated exposure creates a significant burden on your cellular defense systems. Number 4. Excessive alcohol. This poses a threat through cumulative organ stress. Alcohol metabolism generates toxic byproducts that injure cells across the liver and brain. Over time, the constant need for repair places an unsustainable strain on the body's primary organs. Number 3. Artificial trans fats. These fats cause direct arterial damage. Trans fats disrupt your lipid balance by raising harmful LDL and lowering beneficial HDL. This environment facilitates the buildup of dense, hardening plaque inside your arteries, essentially sabotaging your body's transport network. Number 2. Raw or improperly handled animal products. The risk here is microbial invasion. When safety practices are ignored, pathogens like bacteria and parasites use food as a vehicle to bypass your defenses. Once inside, they can multiply and spread rapidly, leading to severe infections and organ complications. This leads us to the number 1 most dangerous food category: ultra-sugary desserts and highly refined sugar products. These products are the primary drivers of systemic metabolic chaos. A relentless daily bombardment of refined sugar keeps insulin levels elevated and accelerates fat accumulation. This environment causes the body's metabolic health to deteriorate, fueling obesity, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease across multiple organ systems at once. While these findings are serious, no single meal determines your health. Actual risk is a product of your frequency, your genetics, and your overall lifestyle patterns. Certain groups, such as pregnant individuals or those managing chronic illnesses, should work with healthcare professionals to create a personalized dietary strategy. The antidote to dietary damage is a return to basics. By building a diet centered on minimally processed whole foods, quality proteins, and healthy fats, you provide your body with the tools it needs for repair and peak performance. Which of these foods do you think is the hardest to give up? Let's start a conversation in the comments. Subscribe for more science-backed health strategies and share this with someone who is ready to upgrade their vitality. Stay healthy.